figured I would record my journey on making my very first epoxy glitter tumbler. I bought this one at Walmart. So I believe this one was $4.88, so $5. And then this is a tumbler that I've had for a couple of, I don't know, a year probably. I won it at work, and that is this. It's my favorite tumbler. It keeps my coffee super hot. So I'm actually going to attempt to glitter epoxy or glitter resin that one. Basically what I'm going to do right now is I am going to remove the stickers. I'm going to tape it, tape the edge, and then I will scuff just the top of the stainless steel. That way there is like a tooth or groove for the spray paint to adhere to. And I got these at the Dollar Tree. been a couple days later. This mug is completely dry. It's been about 3 days. You can see it where I kind of went heavy on the glitter or maybe the resin. But overall, it's a beautiful cup. Let me start that up so you can see that. So before I add any decals, I need to go ahead and reglaze it with some resin, and then let that completely dry, and then it should be a smooth enough surface for me to apply my decals. Alrighty guys, so I'm just mixing my resin right now. Hope you can see that. This is the resin that I'm using. Amazing Clear Cast A and B. I mixed equal parts together. Alrighty, I'm gonna let it sit just for a couple seconds or a couple minutes. Kind of let the air bubbles rise, and then I'll be back to apply it to the tumbler. This will be the second coat of resin, and then I'm hopefully gonna add some decals and then one more coat of resin. Alrighty, here we go. off right now. Probably not the smartest thing. I'm gonna take it off right now. What if it doesn't, I can't get it off? Hey guys, so I've been really bad at filming the progress of this tumbler, but I wanted to jump on real quick and show you guys. So I went ahead and I added some decals, I added one of my stickers, and I applied a coat of resin, and all of those were made with Cricut except for my sticker. I buy that sticker from Sticker Mule. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a quick little progress, and I will reveal it at the end and kind of let you guys know exactly what I did. So I applied the last coat of resin or epoxy onto my Toy Story tumbler, and she is finished. I'm sorry that I wasn't as consistent with the filming as I had planned to be, but I just wanted to share this end result. I made this layered decal off of my Cricut in my design space, and I did the same with the clouds, and just added my shop sticker to my tumbler.